The Rosary is a series of 67 prayers said while meditating on the life and works of Jesus Christ. We use a set of rosary beads to keep track of the prayers as we say them. This rosary has a crucifix and a medal with 5 beads between them and a loop of 54 beads starting and ending at the medal. Most of these beads are for 1 prayer each, but some are for 2 or even 3. To begin, hold the crucifix and say the Apostles' Creed. Then, on the first 5 beads, say 1 Our Father, 3 Hail Marys, and 1 Glory Be. These introductory prayers help clear your mind of other concerns. Next, hold the medal and begin the first decade of the Rosary. A decade consists of 1 Our Father, said on the single bead or medal, followed by 10 Hail Marys, 1 bead each, then, on the next single bead, 1 Glory Be and 1 Fatima prayer, which begins, O my Jesus. As you pray, think about that decade's mystery, the event in the life of Jesus. When you finish a decade with the Fatima prayer, announce the next decade's mystery and begin it with the Our Father on the same single bead. The 5th decade will end on the medal. After saying its Fatima prayer, say the Hail Holy Queen and the concluding prayer, and you are finished praying the Rosary.